Hi everyone, I'm Amalia and welcome back to my channel. I've seen a few videos floating around YouTube like titled things like watch this if you're feeling lonely, and just like videos that aim to make you feel like you're with someone else doing something, and I love that idea. I think it's such a beautiful idea, especially now. I feel like it's a very lonely time for a lot of people and I really enjoy those videos, so I thought that I'd put my own spin on it and we could have a bit of a chat, a catch up, and at the same time we could do like an activity. So if you like making jewellery and stuff, I invite you to come along and do it with me. If you have never tried making jewellery before, then I would definitely recommend it. I absolutely love it. I got these beads from Wilko. No, I didn't. I got these beads from The Range, my favourite shop ever. I've got some wire and stuff and some pliers. And also, if you are not into this thing, you can either just watch this video, I guess, or you could make yourself a cup of tea, maybe get yourself a snack, or maybe you have another activity you like doing, so you could do that whilst watching this video and it will hopefully feel like we're doing an activity together, having a chat. I think we can get started. First of all, I want you to leave a comment below and let me know how you're feeling. What have you been up to recently? I'd love to hear from you. I don't want this to be one-sided. I'm just gonna like take some time to get my supplies ready. I hate this. Okay, done it. Just to like let you know what I'm doing, I've cut myself some wire here, and then I've got these like beads. I can't remember what they're called. You put them on to like secure the clasp basically, and then I've got my packet of clasps here. I'm going to put the jump ring on first. So I've got a jump ring, I've got my bead, and then I kind of like thread it through the bead again. So now I've kind of got like the jump ring on the loop with this. I am going to take my pliers and squish it down. There we go. Okay, so I've got my base now and I can start putting some beads on them. I think I might go for... I like blue and purple. I might do something with a blue and purple, and I will be giving this away when I've made it. So if you are from the UK or Europe, feel free to enter like this little giveaway. I don't normally know what pattern I'm going to do. I like to make my necklaces with like some sort of pattern, and I don't really know what I'm doing until I've got a pattern going. I just kind of make it up as I go along for the start, and then just see what I like and what I don't like, I guess. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make like most of it purple. I'm just going to put purple beads on for a while, and then I'm going to start like adding different coloured beads and just see how it goes and if I like it. Something I've been doing over on my Instagram, and something that I encourage you to do, is to find, like, look for casual magic every single day. I talk about this so much. I think my friends are like fed up with me like talking about casual magic, and I saw this from like Unjaded Jade originally, and I thought it was such a beautiful idea. But basically every day look for something small that's actually magical, and take note of it. It really does make such a big difference, and I've been doing that for quite a while now, but recently I started posting it on my Instagram. Because I haven't found my casual magic today yet, I will talk about my casual magic from yesterday. But basically I woke up to a notification that I got a comment on my YouTube channel. So naturally I was really excited. I get so excited when I receive a comment. So I opened it like all excited to read it, and I realised it wasn't a really nice comment. So I told like my friend, and we decided that it was actually something to celebrate, because, you know, haters come with success and whatnot. So yeah, I got over it, and then yesterday evening she like knocked on my door and brought me some brownies that she baked to celebrate, and it was so cute. And that was my casual magic for yesterday. So I would love to know what your casual magic is, so why not pause this video and leave a comment letting me know what your casual magic was for today or yesterday. This is what I've got so far. Before we move on, I'm just going to count how many I've got. I think I'm going to put another 10 on so that it's 50 and that I can remember that it's 50. Okay, so my camera switched off. I don't know how long that was off for. Hopefully not too long, but I have basically started adding a pattern now. I've got 50 purple beads and then I'm just alternating between white, blue, white, purple, and then just repeating that again and again and again. Something really random, like a week ago now maybe, by the time you're watching this it will be way longer, but a week ago, something like that, about a week ago for me, I got a tarot card reading, and this was a free event hosted by my halls here at university, and I honestly thought it was going to be rubbish. I thought it was just going to, like, to be honest, I joined for laughs and just to have a bit of fun. But at the same time I kept an open mind about it. I just didn't really expect anything to come from it. But it was actually so good, and I felt like it gave me a lot of guidance, and the things that she was saying, she literally just like picked 3 cards out of the deck. Like, she shuffled the deck until 3 cards fell out basically, and these cards were like so accurate to me. So like it was one about the past, one present and one future, and all of them like resonated with me so much. It was such a weird experience. It was, yeah, like the past was like that over the past year I've basically been dealing with trauma, and that I'm like showing up for myself, I'm going to therapy, and that I've been working on it, and that I am getting better, which is so true. She also said that like people being mean to me isn't my fault, it's not about me, it's about them hurting, and that unfortunately people who are hurting tend to hurt others. What she said just spoke to me so much, to be honest. I'd say that's pretty accurate. And then for the present, it was kind of like, I was a bit confused at the start because she was on about me like believing, it's okay to like believe in God and not understand it or like have questions. But I think she was talking about manifesting, because I don't, religion wise I would say I'm agnostic. I was baptized a Christian, but I don't practice and I don't go to church, and I certainly don't pray. I don't really believe, but I want to believe that there's something out there, and something I've been channeling a lot is manifesting. I really want to believe in manifestation and the powers of manifesting, I guess, and I do, but I question it a lot, and I just don't understand how it's possible, and I think that that's what she was referring to, or that's how I'm interpreting her reading. And then the future also really spoke to me, but she was basically on about a big project that I'll be working on, and how I'm very like detail orientated, and I don't know if that's the right phrase, but I focus too much on details basically. She was just saying that I need someone to remind me that what I'm doing is more than okay, that I'm on the right track, and basically focusing on details will actually bring me back when it doesn't have to be like literally perfect. To I don't know if that makes sense. That probably doesn't make sense at all. I don't fully remember how she phrased it. And it, like, focusing on the details too much is definitely something that I would do, I would say. And just having that little reminder that something might not look perfect to me, but that's literally just because I know my mistakes and I'm aware of them, but to anyone else it doesn't matter that much, if that makes sense. And like, in the grand scheme of things, the details aren't that important, I think. Have you ever like had a psychic reading, or like a tarot card reading? What did you think of it? Do you believe in these things? What are your views on manifestation? I do think manifestation is real. I have in fact manifested stuff, like actually, like, and I'll give you an example even. I was on LinkedIn the other day, like, you know, trying to apply for graduate opportunities, and I was just like, I read somewhere that like a really good skill to have is like having experience training other people. And I was like, oh, that would be so cool. On one hand, like I can't imagine myself being able to train anyone on anything, but at the same time it'd be really cool if I could. And I manifested that, and literally the next day I got an email from work and they were asking me to help train people with video editing and video production. And yeah, it was just wild, to be honest. So this is the progress we've made so far. I'm really loving the colours. But yeah, I definitely have other manifestation success stories, and maybe I'll talk about them one day on my channel. I could definitely do that. We could have another like video like this where I share my manifestation stories, if that's something you would like. Okay, so this is how it's going. I've put on all the beads. I'm just going to put like the clasp on at the end, and then it's done. And I will be giving this necklace away. I'm going to be doing a little giveaway. I think I will start doing that whenever I make something on here. Whenever I make a crafty video, maybe I can do a little giveaway every now and then with the things I make. I know it's nothing special, but it's a way for me to give back to you and show you my appreciation for your support and everything. Oh, I'm so happy with it. I love this so much. I love the colours, they're so pretty. So that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed our little chat. I hope this video made you feel like you have some company. If you enjoyed it, please let me know, and I will definitely do this style of video again in the future. If there's any other activities that you would like me to do while we're having a chat other than making necklaces, then please let me know. I'd love to try other things out. Like, I've got a block of clay. We could do some like, I don't know, some crafts with some clay and have a chat at the same time. And yeah, I just felt like this was a good little activity to do. So I really hope you enjoyed watching. Please always remember that you are beautiful. I believe that is it for today's video. Please do leave a comment below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And I will hopefully see you in my next video very soon. Bye!